I'm a board member of the Nhlabathi Foundation, and my role is to ensure that there is improvement and insofar as stakeholder management. Stakeholder management, all stakeholders that have interest insofar as the objectives and aims of Nhlabathi Foundation, which is part of it is it's about community development. Insofar as the youth is concerned, with a strong focus on the youth, insofar as sports, soccer, as well as netball, and also education. So whoever is having this particular vision, we'll partner with them at all cost. Thank you so much. I'm excited about the future of Mandeni. The future of Mandeni looks bright. We are actually going to play a major role insofar as having to change the focus and also the psychosocial factors affecting Mandeni.
6 yard, 6 yard,